Hey, welcome back to our Hungry Adventures. Guys, probably this is gonna be the first video I'm gonna upload in 2024 in the new year, because today is 31st December. This is a New Year's Eve, and I decided to make another special episode for you because obviously you'll be looking for some content on YouTube which will give you this holiday atmosphere, the atmosphere of New Year, yeah, some happy mood. This year I decided to install a Christmas tree in my room. This year I feel nostalgia about New Year, about Christmas, about snow and winter, cold. Oh, it's good to experience, to feel the nostalgia when you're far away from cold climate, from cold weather, because as soon as you're coming back into freezing weather, when there is snow, when there is ice, when you need to wear a lot of clothes on you, you just don't like it. Anyway, this time I decided to invite a few of my friends to join my little party, because today I will be cooking real food from my home, at least according to my memories, because I haven't been cooking for a very long time. I don't remember the exact recipes, and I'm not sure I'm a really good cook. So today I will be cooking salad with my fingers. I will be cutting my fingers in salad and some other things. I'm inviting you to join me in my condo, by the way. Yeah, this is where I live. This is my base. This is my living room, place where I edit all of the videos, place where I enjoy movies, beautiful Christmas tree, all of my boxes and helmet. That's the map of Thailand, place where I plan all of my trips. Yeah, it is pretty small, but I live alone. I don't have kids, I don't have a wife, so for me it's absolutely amazing. So after a long trip I can just come back here and chill, watch some nice movies, listen music, or just enjoy food, meet my friends, and etc. This condo is about 32 or 35 square meters. Yeah, it is a studio with a large sliding door, so I can separate my sleeping place and place where I can greet incoming people. These are some things I was able to buy. This is what is it? Sovital bread with wheat bread probably, and another bread, some tangerines, because New Year is impossible without tangerines, green peas, and no, this is corn. These are green peas, some oil, mayonnaise. All right, and this is the kitchen. As you can see, it is very small, not suitable for a special cooking video, but I will try it. Pretty large for my kitchen. Pretty large fridge. This is induction cooker, and this is the electric pot, which is called pot for suki, yeah, for cooking vegetables, for boiling vegetables. There is my air fry and small rice cooker, so I will try to do my best today. Yeah, I bought some potatoes, because Russian food is simply impossible without potatoes. Balcony. It's very hot outside, yeah. I'm using air conditioning to bring this cold air in, so I can feel the winter atmosphere. Because as soon as you're opening a door on balcony, you're instantly feeling back in Thailand. Very, very, very hot. And toilet and shower. And waterfall, of course. Alright, let's start cooking. Alright, potato first. Also, I'm gonna need some boiled eggs, but I just don't remember how many eggs I need, which is why I decided to boil 8. Probably I need 2 and 4 or 2 and 3, because today I'm gonna cook the most popular salad. It is called Olivier. Olivier? With French name, but Russian salad, the most popular one. Also known as Russian salad. And another one is salad with crab sticks. Crab sticks made of fish. Yeah. Okay, the water is boiling. Oh, very hot. And we need to reduce the temperature. It says low. My mom will never forgive me if I won't put some salt in boiled water. All right. Okay, accident. All right, I think eggs are ready. And if I want to clean them easily, I need to remove hot water and add cold water instantly. However, in Thailand, tap water is never cold, which is why we need to use some magic. Okay, now water is gonna become colder. It's still not ready yet, but I don't want to overcook it. I'm not a specialist, I'm just guessing. We don't need the hot water anymore. Very hot, very hot. Alright, I decided to try to cook Russian cutlets, which are something like burgers cooked with minced meat. I bought quite a lot of chicken minced meat in Macro yesterday, because I just want to prepare lots of these cutlets, lots of these burgers, then store them in the fridge and freezer so that I can cook them within few next day, because it will be easier. Yeah. Guys, it's a new year and I'm crying. Okay. Whoop. Whoop. Right, I added some more breadcrumbs and now it looks more solid, not so liquid. Now it's gonna be really dirty. The first one is ready. First cutlet. Alright, so now I can open my fridge. Yeah, there is some space. Alright. This one goes inside. And this one goes inside. So I can fry them anytime later when my friends will come. I hope my friends are still coming. Someone's at the door. Namaste.
Namaste. Hello. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you too. I've got some work for you. Please sit down, sit down.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Today you are a salad man.
My favorite work.
Yeah, this is how I greet my friends, because everyone who is coming to this room has to do a part in the celebration of the New Year, in the preparation for the celebration of the New Year. Meanwhile, let's get back to our dumplings. Okay, someone else. Hello, hello. Who's there? Hello, hello. Happy New Year. Welcome, welcome. โอ้เมาแล้ว my first dumpling. All right, this one is the first one, and now we need to do 1,000 more before the midnight. Are you done?
Yep.
Guys, this is the salad with crab sticks. Crab sticks, then canned corn, green cucumber, shallots, and mayonnaise, and some salt. Let me try a little bit. Oh yeah. ลองกินอาหารรัสเซียนะครับ โอเคไหม
อร่อย
Oop. 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 So how long? 10 minutes?
Yeah, something like this.
Guys, 10 or 15 minutes till midnight, and here I am, standing and cooking food for you. I'm running.
Давай, карточка.
Happy New Year, everyone. Every year we were thinking, oh, it was a hard year, but we made it. Hopefully next year will be easier.
Oh, yeah.
2nd January, 3rd January, something happening again. Yeah, some really crazy things. And you think, no, last year wasn't that bad. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Happy New Year. It's 2024. The year was crazy. Probably 2024 will be crazier, because every year we're saying each other, oh, it was a very hard year. Yeah, it was difficult. It was intense, but hopefully next year will be better. I'm not gonna repeat the same thing again. Let's just live another year together with all of the struggles, because this is life, and we should just feel the moment and find a way how to enjoy it, because there are some things we just cannot change and we can only accept them. So what do we have in our New Year's Eve menu? Not New Year's Eve menu. Menu of the first day of the year 2024. So these are beautiful dumplings. No, not very beautiful. Some of them are beautiful, some of them are not. Russian salad Olivier, salad with crab sticks. This is buckwheat. Russian redfish. This is not salmon, right?
It's not salmon, it's another one.
Nerka, I don't
yes.
know, Nerka. And some cutlets, which are burgers. I've been cooking them all day. Herring, I think these are herring from my hometown, from Kaliningrad. I'm ready to start.
So guys, I'm sorry, but I really cannot wait anymore. Happy New Year, everyone. Don't worry, be happy. And something interesting will happen soon, with you of course, and with me also. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum. I don't even know what is its name in English. However, this one is real Russian mustard, which I'm going to put on cutlet. Oh, it's gonna be spicy. Oh yeah. The taste of the new year. Very good. Let me try this little fish. Sandwich with little fish with this herring in oil from Baltic Sea. Ah. Happy New Year. Okay guys, Happy New Year everyone. I hope you're having an amazing celebration of this new year. I hope you had, because this video will be posted in January. I hope you still can remember some nice moment of this time. Hope you are spending this time with family. Hope you have few days off. Yeah, new adventures are coming. And thank you for your constant support of our Hungry Adventures and this channel. Happy New Year, the year of dragon. Bye bye.